Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2017 BMW X1 battery. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting accessories. Use a memory saver to maintain settings while you work. Always wear gloves and eye protection when handling the battery. Confirm you have the correct battery group and cold cranking amps. Work methodically and keep all fasteners organized to ensure smooth reassembly. In this video, I will show how to replace 2017 BMW X1 battery. First, open the hood and locate the battery compartment, then disconnect the negative terminal before positive. Remove the battery cover and any retaining clips or brackets, keeping bolts safe. Carefully lift the battery straight up using both hands to avoid tipping. Place the old battery on a stable surface and clean the tray and terminals before installing the new unit. In this video, I will show how to replace 2017 BMW X1 battery. Position the new battery correctly and secure the retaining bracket without over-tightening. Reconnect the positive terminal first and then the negative terminal to minimize spark risk. Reinstall the battery cover and clear any stored error codes if needed. Start the engine and verify electronics, lights, and infotainment work as expected, and discard the old battery at a recycling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.